Here are the steps to send a contract through Inly. First thing that you're going to want to do is click the plus icon in the upper left-hand corner, and then you can select contract from the listed options. Again, you have the option to select multiple document types or just an individual document for your flow. So for this example, we'll just stick with a contract. Then you can click Next. You can choose who this contract is for, so either select an existing client or create a client. For this example, we'll create a client. And then I'll throw in a test email. Once you've inputted all the information, you can click Next, and then you can name it. So this will be contract for services. You can select a date and a location, and then click Next. You can choose to have a cover image for your contract. For this example, I'm going to leave it blank, which will just be a clean white cover. And then I don't have any contract templates loaded, so I'm just going to start with a blank contract. Listed will be the signers. Looks like I named the signer the same name as my account, so I might change that to Perry. If you need to add additional signers for your contract, you can click the plus icon to add another one where you can enter their name and email, and then you can choose who they're signing for. Are they signing for you as the business, or are they signing for your customer? Once you've done that, you can click Next, and then you can load in your contract. So this will be just test contract, and then I'll just do contract for services. Another nice thing that you can do when you are loading in a contract is you can click dynamic data up here and easily pull in information from what you've created before for this client. So since there isn't an invoice here, it's just a contract, you could do things like client name, your business name, etc. Otherwise, you can also put in input fields, and you can select to have these added. So you could do like initials or any other custom field that you want. From there, you can click Next, and then you're ready to send your contract. So this will get sent to both of the signers if you had those. If you need to add additional recipients of this contract, you can click the plus icon and add them there. You can enter a message and then click Send. Once you've sent it, you can either return to that client, you can view the flow, which will show you what the contract looks like for the customer side, just like this, which is really cool. You can kind of proceed through it, see who the signers are. You can also click this hamburger menu to kind of navigate back and around. Otherwise, you can create a template from this flow, which we'll dive into in another video. When you return to the client, if you need to sign, it will give you a little prompt here that the contract needs your signature so you can view and sign it. Otherwise, on your dashboard, it'll let you know that you need to sign the contract as well. When you click View and Sign, it will show you where you can sign, and you can click here and either draw your signature or type it. And once you've done that, you've signed the contract. For any additional questions, feel free to reach out to support@inly.com. Otherwise, in the bottom right-hand corner, you can click the chat box to get a hold of one of us too.